All right, just a few reminders to help you with your live synchronous instructions. So obviously we want to click our little button here, and that will take us to our link for our meeting, and you want to open it up. Once you are on here, I shut off my camera so you don't have to see my face, but if you want to turn it on, you can click the little toggle or shut it off, and then you want to join the meeting. Once you join, just a few reminders. These three dots here, your device settings, this is what allows you to have your sound. So your speaker is what you can hear the students, and your microphone is them hearing you. Notice it's going up and down, so obviously that's a good check to know if it's actually working or not. Secondly, you can go to your meeting options. This is where you can say who can bypass the lobby, who can present, and also your meeting chat. You can disable that or only use it while you're in the meeting. So that's up to you on how you want to do that there. To screen share, it is this little arrow. It looks a little different this year because it is new. So to share your screen, you would click this. It is the red box around your screen. So everything that you do on here, your students will be able to see whatever assignments you want to go to and things like that. You can also use different apps on your computer like Active Inspire if you want to write or use anything like that. Also, when you stop screen sharing, you can also use your whiteboard. So that might work for my science and math people who have to practice problems with students. You can use that, use your little stylus, just like how we did last year, and you can collaborate, or only you can edit and you can write on there and have kids hold up their answer or however you want to do it. So there's text box and all different things this year for you to use throughout. So just a few reminders on screen sharing. Also, you can use your breakout room. And your breakout room is here. You would just add your students in and you would start breakout room, assign participants, and then click start. If you want to add rooms, you can just click the little plus symbol. And just a few refreshers to help you. If you need or if you have any questions, you can let me know and I will help you in any way that I can. But this is just a little refresher to get you synchronously teaching and to remind you how to do it.